Hey guys, welcome back to the Nature Channel. Now before we get into this video, I'd like to say, hit the like button, subscribe, and when you subscribe, there should be a bell icon. Hit that, and you'll be notified every time I upload. Okay, now I'd like to say, this is something new. I'm starting kind of a series. If you guys like it, let's see if we can get 2 likes again. But either way, I'm probably gonna do it again. But okay, let's get into it. Welcome to the Animal Show! I'm your host, Jesse, and this is your co-host. This is your co-host, Fancy. What is the animal of the day? Well, what is the animal of the day, Fancy?
I wonder what it is. You know what? I know what it is. It's me, Fancy.
Yes, right. She's the animal of the day, Miss Fancy. Now, we're going to be telling on this show her backstory and some other stuff about her. Hold on. Let's check something. Hold on. Okay. Yep. Welcome to the Animal Show. Okay, well, like I said, our animal of the day is Fancy. This is also episode 1. Okay, Fancy, would you like to tell the viewers what happened? Yeah, okay. Okay, she's gonna tell you what happened. Okay. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay. Actually, no, I'm gonna tell you what happens. She lost her owner. I don't know what else, but she lost her owner. She's originally from Texas, but she had to get fostered for 6 months until I finally found the beautiful little kitty on Craigslist. I was like, oh my god, she's adorable. So I talked my dad in to getting her. She's free, but, taking me to get her. So I talked him into getting her doggy, and here's Fancy. She sat on my lap all the way in the car way home, and I just fell in love with her. I knew she was my baby girl as soon as I saw her. A little Fancy. Is that new? I just knew. Did you, Fancy?
I knew you were.
No. Okay. She's up on the bed now. But yep, she knew it too. Yeah, you see the bed flicked. I'll pick it up. But yep, she's the animal of the day. That's kind of her backstory. We call her Fancy because she has 2 extra toes. And, well, she's just a fancy doggy. And for anyone who is wondering what type of dog she is, she's a Chihuahua. Not a teacup. Just a Chihuahua. You know my Chihuahua? I love my Chihuahua. She's my baby. Yeah. The teacup Chihuahua is a little one. She's a little bit bigger. I think she's like 11 pounds or something. A little bit over 11 pounds. But yeah, she's a sweet dog. She's very good. Doesn't bite. She's never bit anyone in her life. But she's really excited when she sees another dog. She always wants to sniff the butts. Always.
Yeah, I do. I know. Yeah.
For anyone who's wondering, that's Fancy who's talking right there. But yeah. She always wants to. But yeah, I love her because everyone in this family is weird. I'm weird, my grandma's weird, my dad's weird, my papa's weird, everyone's weird, even my animals. But that's why I love them. We're the weird family. But yeah. Okay, so I guess I should explain a little bit more what about this show is. It's where we'll have an animal of the day, like any one of my animals. This is episode 1, but yep, one of the animals will be the animal of the day. Like today is Fancy. Now who knows who the next one will? She'll still be my co-host though. She's always gonna be the co-host. Co-host Fancy. But yeah, that's basically the show, This is episode 1. We show off the animals. We love them, Okay, I gotta hold on. Okay. Well, I'm gonna sign off this episode. Okay. But just like the show, not the actual. Okay, ready. Okay, thank you for watching the Animal Show. This is Jesse the host and Fancy the co-host signing out. But real quick, a word from our sponsor, Nature Channel. Bye. Okay. Hello, guys. It's the Nature Channel back here. Do you like the new show that is airing? If you do, let's see if we can get 2 likes. And you know what? Just have opinion. Write in the comments if you want anything changed or anything different. But I don't know. I like it. So if you like it, put in the comments and see if we can get 2 likes again. But I guess I'm gonna sign out. Thank you for watching the Nature Channel. Goodbye.